Welcome to Crestmont Hyundai, and here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with rear view camera, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, parking sensors, rear spoiler, steering wheel controls, keyless entry, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed sensing steering, and has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Here at family-owned Crestmont Hyundai, our friendly staff is happy to help our guests with our stress-free, no-haggle approach. Since 1973, Crestmont has been the go-to name for quality and customer service. Our multilingual team is here for all of your automotive needs. So come visit us today at Crestmont Hyundai, where we have the best price in town.